were located along a line extending from near Roma Park to Martinez.
15 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from miles moving northeast. Radar indicated impact.
EAS Lake Station was increased.
Warning for southeastern.
You get that?
Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 3:15 p.m.
Along a line extending from near Roma. Washington, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Source are indicated. A room on the lowest floor of the building. The tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for northeastern and east central Illinois. A severe thunderstorm was located over Manhattan, Illinois. At 17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Manhattan, or near New York, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof. Taylor Heights, West Town, Dyer, Hester Heights, Chicago Lawn, Inglewood, Oak Lawn, National Park,
Orland Valley, Avalon Park, Grand Boulevard, Calumet City, South Huron,
Lower West Side, Avalon Park, Grand Boulevard, Calumet City, South Huron, Hyde Park, South Chicago, Glenwood.
Developed quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you saw a tornado go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room in Illinois and northwestern tornado will remain in effect until 7 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana.
Lowest floor of a building.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern